Welcome to Kids Wonder World. A is for apple. Say it with me. Apple. B is for ball. Bounce, bounce. Ball begins with B. C is for cat. Look at the cute little cat. C is for cat. D is for duck. Quack, quack. D is for duck. E is for elephant. Look at the cute little elephant. E is for elephant. F is for frog. Hop, hop. F is for frog. G is for giraffe. Look at the tall giraffe. G is for giraffe. H is for horse. Look at the happy horse. H is for horse. I is for ice cream. Yum, yum. I is for ice cream. J is for jellyfish. Look at the glowing jellyfish. J is for jellyfish. K is for koala. Look at the fluffy koala. K is for koala. L is for lion. Look at the cute lion. L is for lion. M is for monkey. Look at the playful monkey. Is for monkey. N is for nest. Look at the little nest. N is for nest. O is for owl. Look at the cute owl. U is for owl. P is for penguin. Look at the cute penguin. P is for penguin. Q is for quail. Look at the tiny quail. Q is for quail. R is for rabbit. Look at the fluffy rabbit. S is for snake. Look at the cute little snake. S is for snake. T is for turkey. Look at the colorful turkey. T is for turkey. U is for unicorn. Look at the magical unicorn. V is for violin. Listen to the violin play. V is for violin. W is for whale. Look at the little whale. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Listen to the colorful sounds. X is for xylophone. Y is for yak. Look at the fluffy yak. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Look at the cute zebra. Z is for zebra.